Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Dateline today. Millions choke the streets to celebrate America's greatest holiday, your birthday. No celebration is too lavish, no present too large on this extraordinarily exceptional event. Even President Truman got in on the act. Happy birthday. So sound the alarm, call your friends, and alert the press, for today is truly the world's greatest birthday.
બર્થડે પાર્થ હની અને મોટા પપ્પા તરફથી મેની રિટર્ન ઓફ ધ ડે પાર્થ મેની રિટર્ન ઓફ ધ ડે હાઉ આર યુ ફાઇન બાર બાર દિનિએ આए बार बार दिनिए आए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर पार्थ हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
હેલો પાર્થ હેપી બર્થડે બહુ મજા કરી આટલા દિવસ રોકાણી હું પછી સારી રીતના ઘરે પહોંચી ગઈ અને બહુ સારું થયું બાર બાર દિન ઓ આए बार बार दिन हो जाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे बस
Hi Parth, wish you very happy birthday.
Parth, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. તારી બાબતમાં વાત યાદ કરતા હતા ચાઇલ્ડહુડથી લઈને અત્યાર સુધીની તો ચાઇલ્ડહુડમાં
તારા બર્થડેમાં તો 20 થી 25 છોકરાઓ તો આવી જ ગયા હોય અને દરેક જણા એટલું એન્જોય કરે કે હજી સુધી પણ લોકો ભૂલ્યા નથી. માર્કેટમાં જઈએ તો કે कौन से बिल्डिंग में रहते हो? बकी वाले बिल्डिंग में. Still people remember you.
એન્ડ પ્રેન્ક્સ કહીએ તો જનકની મિમિક્રી યાદ છે? It was really fun watching you. And about your seriousness and responsibility?
Are Parth, you were always very jovial, very lively, and today's time also you have been always very caring for each and every family member. We really appreciate that.
Yeah, Parth, it's really appreciable quality. All these qualities are really good in you. Keep it up. And all the best in your life.
Bye. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Parth.
પાર્થ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ. બાપાના ગાર્ડન ગ્રુપની જેમ તું જીઓ હજારો સાલ હમ રહે તુમારે સાથ. હેપી બર્થડે.
પાર્થ જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. હેપી બર્થડે હેપી બર્થડે હેપી બર્થડે. મારા ભગવાન પછી મારા બાળકોનું સ્થાન હું આપું છું. બસ ખૂબ પ્રગતિ કરો, ઉન્નતિ કરો. હંમેશા મારી શુભાશીષ શુભેચ્છાઓ તમારી સાથે હશે. ઉન્નતિના શિખર પર પહોંચો એ જ મારી પ્રાર્થના ઈશ્વરને હશે. બસ ખૂબ સુખી રહો.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to my dear husband. You are really too good to be true. As years pass, it is an opportunity for me to know how amazing husband you are. You mean precious to me. After meeting you, I realized that there are still people with pure heart existing in the world. You make me believe that it is actually all right to be in bad space and then be happy again. Your love is a medicine for me and my sickness. I also wanted to confess one thing that I feel every minute is I'm blessed by God when I got you. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. I feel that I am luckiest wife to have a person in life who is best husband, responsible son, father, brother, and a friend. I really wanted to say thank you to always appreciated me for my passion, who always supported me when I needed you the most before and after marriage. Stay happy, stay blessed, Parth. I still remember when I lost my hearing, you said that forum life is very short. Let's live it together. And we made it, and we went to US trip. That was a really memorable trip for me. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for supported me always. Thank you so much. Wishing you a very happy birthday again. And I have something for you. Your favorite song, which you always like and which is our great memory always. Here it is.
दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के अख नाले अख नू मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे रोज रोज बैठ के सच्चियां मोहब्बतां निभा के सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैनू
भगवान को याद है ना, व्हाट अ मोमेंट टू शेयर, वो भी वीडियो पे. टू स्टार्ट, Parth, your journey till this hour has been positive and achieved as you got of your age and maturity. You have performed best to in terms of responsibility in your life. Got success as well. तो भगवान तेरे को बहुत सारा सक्सेस दे, जिसे तू, Forum and Sara get all happiness in your life as you are a perfect family man. बहुत इमोशनल हो रहा है पार्थ. Just check this. Happy birthday, Parth! Hey, Parth! Happy birthday!
Hey Parth, happy birthday. Your day will be with full of joy, fun, happiness, everything. You are a true blessing to your Patel family, and we are lucky to have you in a Sutha family as well. You are an incredible person with a big heart, and you are perfect as a son, son-in-law, brother, brother-in-law, chachu, husband, father, everywhere. Stay blessed, Parth. And I have something to share with you. Just have a look.
Happy birthday, Parth. Wish you many happy returns of the day. I remember that from the childhood only you were very smart. Playing cricket, chess, carom. In the studies also we were average. But you scored good marks in 10th. God grace you with health, wealth and prosperity. You are a good, responsible person. Keep it up. Happy birthday, Parth.
Happy birthday, Parth Chachu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Parth Chachu.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Parth bhai. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day. Bye.
जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे. हम तो सात रंग है, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे. I really miss this beautiful memory. Like 10 of us in Maruti 800. Like it was a wonderful, wonderful time. I wish you the same wonderful time on your birthday. A very, very happy birthday and a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Miss you a lot, Bucky.
Happy birthday, Parth.
हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्रदर. जो हमारी अर्ली मेमोरीज विद यू वुड बी प्लेइंग कैरम, प्लेइंग म्यूजिक विद बच्चन मास्टर and a few memories in the UK. I still remember you calling everybody every evening to gather everybody for cooking for dinner time. Oh, I think we have a lot of special memories out there. I hope you have a great birthday and a great time and a great year ahead. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Parth bhai. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday! Hope you're having a lovely time. We really miss you
so much. We really hope that we get to be together really soon. And it's just always so much fun to have you around for especially during any family events. It just doesn't feel the same. There's nobody to crack all the jokes that you do. There's nobody to just make things really lively like how you do. So we really miss you, especially during festivals.
Yeah, during all festivals, we were while we were talking about you and all the celebrations that we used to be involved in, or from everything from playing cricket to playing goti in Seva Mandal to to Ganpati festivals where you used to be a part of all possible Ganpatis in Matunga. You've just been a part of every little thing, not just in the family but in the entire Matunga space, and now we can see you doing the same in London also. So we hope you're really enjoying there with your new family as well.
And even little things like, even though we were all living in separate buildings, you were the only one who still made sure that every Sunday you'd make sure to visit everyone. Like if there is anyone in our family who keeps everyone together, it's you. And that's just something, it's just extremely admirable.
Yeah, and it's amazing how in spite of being so far away with all the time differences, you always remember to wish people birthdays, anniversaries, and we wait for your video call. If there's Diwali, if there's anything happening, even though all of us will be celebrating together, we wait for your video call because we just miss you all so much. And it's beautiful to see that Sarah is also exactly like you.
Yeah.
And every time we look at her, we're like, oh, she's a Chotu Parth. And we really hope we'll all be celebrating your birthday and everything really soon together.
A very happy birthday to you, Parth Chachu. Happy birthday, Parth Chachu. Thank you for always being there for us. You've always been like a father figure for the both of us since we were kids. We really miss you and we hope to see you soon. And we really miss your excitement as well. Thank you and best of luck for your future and the life ahead. Thanks for giving all those memories in Royal Crest, Pune, Lakshmi Villa and Cedar House. Even Scotland, it was always fun with you. You were a person with complete enthusiasm and fun. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Parth Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. May you spend the rest of your life rapturously.
Mama, enjoy your day. You have played always a major role in our every situation of our life. And I remember when I came at your home, you have always taken a lots of care of us, and we really miss you, Mami and Sarah, a lot. So enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Papa. You're the best dad in the whole wide world.
You always care for me, get me so many toys from Smith's by your own money. So I want to thank you with this song. साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, सोलो आए दे रहा दिल तुमको आज एक दिन. I wish you a happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. But sometimes when you get angry at me, here's a song.
બોલો પાર્થ ચાચુ,
Chachu,
હેપી બર્થડે.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Parth. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very successful and fabulous year ahead filled with lots of memories. Once again, happy birthday, Parth.
Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Parth. Happy birthday to you. From your loving Patla Sasus. Yes.
Hello Masa, happy birthday. May you have happiest birthday ever. હું તમને બહુ મિસ કરું છું. બધું ટાઈમ જે આપણે સ્પેન્ડ કર્યું હું બધું જ બહુ મિસ કરું છું. કુકિંગ એન્ડ going out, making fun, watching movies, everything. You're always special to me. તમે મને એક ડેડની જેમ મારું ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે and I'm very thankful to God. I feel blessed and I'm very happy for that you are my Masa. Thank you so much for taking care of me like your daughter, and I'm very happy that I have you in my life. Anyway, have fun. Happy birthday once again. I miss you. Take care. Have fun. Eat lots and lots of cake. Bye.
પાર્થ જન્મ દિવસ સુખી રહો. જન્મ દિવસનું શુભકામના. સુખી રહો. ભગવાન સુખ આપે. નિરાત.
હા પાર્થભાઈ, તમારો જન્મદિવસ છે આજનો. તમને શુભકામના આપે હો ભાઈ. બધા આનંદથી ખુશીથી જીવન મજા કરો. તબિયત પાણી હારા બધાયના. આનંદ મંગળ કરો ને મજા કરો બધા.
बार बार दिल ये गाए तुम जिए हजारों साल. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Parth bhai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. પાર્થભાઈ કેમ છો? મજામાં? જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામનાઓ.
હેલો પાર્થભાઈ, જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામના.
Hello uncle, many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Hello uncle, happy birthday, many returns of the day. God bless you.
Hello uncle, many returns of the day. God bless you.
Hi Parth, wish you many happy returns of the day and best of luck for future. तुम जियो हजारों साल, यही दुआ है हमारी. और खुद जियो, खुद पापड़ खाओ और सबको पापड़ खिलाओ.
हे पार्थ, हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्रो. कुछ लाइनें तेरे लिए बोलता हूँ. सावित्री थॉट यू वर अ वेरी गुड रग्बी प्लेयर. कृष्णन ने दिया तुझे दूधो नाव पूतो फलों का आशीर्वाद. पीटी टीचर ने सुना तेरा पुकार. मुझे आज भी याद है तेरे गच्छी वाले वो दिन जहाँ तूने खाई थी नंदू की इकलर और हमने की थी बहुत सारी धमाल. और तेरे लिए क्या कहूँ मेरे यार, तू आज भी मेरे लिए वही मेरा खास, मेरा सबसे बड़ा यार है. तेरे लिए यही मांगता हूँ कि तू, तेरा परिवार हमेशा खुश रहे, तेरा पूरा जीवन हो खुशियों से बेशुमार. हे बड़ी, हैप्पी बर्थडे मैन.
Hey Parth, happy birthday Bucky. God bless you. May you have a wonderful life ahead. Cheers.
Hi Parth, wishing you a very happy birthday and may all your dreams come true. Enjoy your birthday and have a successful journey ahead. God bless you.
Hi Parth,
Hi Parth, wish you a very happy birthday.
have a good year ahead. Hope you all are well in London. Hope to see you soon.
Let's catch up soon whenever you guys are in Mumbai and stay safe and have an amazing birthday.
Bye, take care.
Take care.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Parth. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hey Parth, here is wishing you happy 41st birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Parth, how are you? Wish you a happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May you get all the success, love and happiness in your life. I love you. I miss you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.
Parth Patel, Bucky, many happy returns of the day. Janmdin Mubarak ho from Vijay Denanath Chauhan, Gaon Mandwa.
Hi Parth, I wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day from all of us here. Arundhati, Vivan, my parents. You have been the best thing that has happened to us when we were in Mumbai, and I am so fortunate to have you as my friend in my life. Thank you for being part of my journey. I wish you the very best in everything that you do.
Happy birthday, Parth. Have a special day and an awesome year ahead. So I'm sure you're surprised to see a video from me, but then that's what birthdays are for. Have a wonderful day. Look forward to meeting you, Forum and Sarah, when you're in Mumbai next. Happy birthday.
मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कहीं दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी न आए, यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
Bye. Parth, man, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. And first of all, thank you for our friendship. Thank you for everything that you do for me and for us and for our friendship. It's amazing, man. તારી પાસેથી ઘણું બધું શીખવા પણ મળે છે કે ભાઈ હાઉ ટુ સોર્ટ ઓફ કંટ્રોલ થિંગ્સ, કેમ મેનેજ કરવું, અને યુ કેન વેઇટ ફોર થિંગ્સ. ઘણીવાર એ પણ બહુ જરૂરી હોય છે. અને hats off to you, man, the way you face the challenges in your life, in the family, અને at your work. પણ એ છતાં પણ we keep going. અને પછી આપણે વાત કરીએ છીએ અને there are many things that we share. That's amazing. And the best thing about our friendship is it's quite natural, which I know you both, you and myself, આપણે બંને બહુ જ રિસ્પેક્ટ આપીએ છીએ અને એડમાયર કરીએ છીએ અને there is a respect for each other and each other's work and efforts. So man, I wish you all the best. અને કોઈ ચિંતા ના કરતો, I am always there for you and thank you for being there for me. અને may all your dreams come true, may your wishes come true. અને તારા વિઝા એક્સટેન્ડ થાય એની તો પ્રેયર્સ હું ઓલવેઝ કરતો જ હોઉં છું. All the best and have a blast on your day, brother. Cheers. Thank you. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Parth uncle. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, may God bless you.
May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Parth uncle, happy birthday to you. Bye. Many, many happy returns of the day once again. Jivan, happy birthday कहते Parth uncle.
Happy birthday, Parth uncle.
You.
Hello, Parth uncle. Happy birthday for today, and have a nice time.
Hi Parth, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you very much. We are really glad that you and Forum are our friends, and I will always remember you for what you did for my dad. That's something very special and very close to me. Thank you so much, and આપણે હંમેશા આવા જ ક્લોઝ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ રહીએ. Thank you. Bye.
All the best. Bye. જીવન ભાઈ કહેતે bye. Bye. Nivan bye.
ભાઈ પાર્થ, વિશિંગ યુ અ વેરી વેરી હેપી બર્થડે. આજે તારી બર્થડે પર એક મસ્ત લાઈન મારે તને કેવી છે. दुआ है कि कामयाबी के हर शिखर पर आपका नाम होगा, आपके हर कदम पर दुनिया का सलाम होगा. हमारी दुआ है कि एक दिन वक्त भी आपका गुलाम होगा. भाई, विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन, અને મે યોર હોલ યર બી ફૂલ ઓફ સ્પિરિટ, ફૂલ ઓફ સ્ટ્રેન્થ, ફૂલ ઓફ હેલ્ધીનેસ. અને તને ભાઈ તારી મેમરીઝ, એટલી બધી ગ્રેટ મેમરીઝ તને આ ન્યૂ યરમાં મળે કે તારી લાઈફ ટાઈમ આ મેમરીઝ યાદ રહેશે. વન્સ અગેન અ વેરી હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ.
Wishing you a very happy birthday filled with love, laughter and happiness. Happy birthday, Parth bhai.
Happy birthday, Parth uncle. Have a great year ahead. Enjoy. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Parth bhai.
Happy birthday, Parth. Have a nice day. You enjoy a lot.
Happiest birthday, Parth bhai. Have a lovely day and a wonderful year ahead. Great to have a friend like you. Simple, straightforward, down to earth. Wishing you a lovely year ahead and a lovely future. Have a great day.
Hi Parth. It's been some time we know each other now. It has been a pleasure to know you personally. You come across as a jovial, a thinker, a kind-hearted, and a person who is readily available for help as and when required. I wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day and the year ahead. Let's have a celebration.
Happy birthday, Parth uncle.
Hi Parth, wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,